Good morning, my dear students. Today we can discuss environment and human health. So in this topic, I suggested some learning objectives. Health in its physical, mental, social and spiritual context. Environment to be an important factor in the interaction of agent and host in the epidemiological or ecological triad. The physical, biological and psychological environment and understand their impact on health. So these are some of the objectives in this topic. Health. Health is a state of complete physical, mental, social and spiritual well. It is being and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. Disease. Disease is a result from complex interaction between man and agent and the environment. From ecological point of view, disease is defined as maladjustment of the human organisms to the environment. So these are some of the concepts. It is related to health and disease. Generally, human health is related to environment. We know that environment it consists of different type of ecosystem. Each ecosystem it is related to living beings are biotic and abiotic components. We know that biotic are living beings. It consists of human beings, animals, plants and different type of microorganisms. And abiotic means so non-living beings like air, climate, soil, water, etc. So generally it consists of physical, biological and psychological components. So the environment is related to human health. So human health is related to pollution. The pollution is created from human activities like different type of activities like self economical development like using vehicles and different type of power plants and different type of fossil fuel consumption or combustion, etc. So generally this pollution or pollutant is recycling in our environment through different type of activities like nitrogen fixation, photosynthesis, etc. Generally environment it consists of some number of components. So physical components, chemical components, biological components, psychological component and sociological component. Physical component it consists of air, water, soil, housing, climate, geography, heat, light, noise, debris, radiation, etc. So these are some of the physical components or some of the physical hazards. So it is present in our environment. Generally radiation. Radiation it affects the cell in the body and the function of gland and organs. It suffer from cancer. UV radiation, skin cancer it is produced in human health. Global warming, temperature increases, causes famine and mortality. One more gaseous like CFC gaseous chlorofluorocarbon it is created from our chillers. We are using chillers or a refrigerator. So it is damaging ozone layer, allows more UV radiation, causes skin cancer. Noise is a painful slow death producing sound. It is a irresponsible damage to in our ear and body and nerve system and it creates heart attack also. Chemical components using pesticides and insecticides in the agricultural area. So it is spreading in our vegetable or fruits and nuts, etc. It is creating different type of disease. Inorganic and organic chemicals, different type of inorganic and organic chemicals present. We are using some components or compound like inorganic lead, chromium, arsenic. It is deposited when excess using in some area. Organic different type of DDT, BHC chemicals in the insecticides area or agricultural area and different type of polymeric products we are using. It is also creating so like a chemical hazardous. Biological components, man, virus, microbial agents, insects, rodents, animals, plants and dead matters. So dead matter means the microorganisms produced from dead matters. Psychological components, cultural values, customs, belief, habits, attitudes, morals, religion, education, lifestyles, community life, health, services, social and political organization. These are some of the psychological components. Sociological components, sociological factors that affect the environment and human health are those that results from living in a society where one experiences noise, lack of privacy and overcrowding. Also the population growth is a sociological hazardous. So these are some of the components in our environment. So prevention of techniques are preventive measures. So different type of hazardous is creating human disease or different type of disease in human. Preventive measures: wash your hands before sitting for food, cut or short your nails and clean it, keep clean habits like brushing your teeth, bathing and washing your hands when necessary. For a better health, do exercise and walking regularly, avoid plastic containers and aluminum, eat food always in hot condition, maintain the skin and hair, drink chemically treated or filtered water, wash the fruits and vegetables before using, wash your clothes with clean water, avoid eating junk food. So these are some of the preventive measure to protect our human health. Human health is related to some of the environmental factor like climate change, desertification and freshwater decline, biodiversity loss, stratostropic ozone depletion. So these some factors are environmental factors is interconnected with the human health. We can maintain good health. Students, so I given some reference, so like Benny Joseph and Gilbert and Amala Jodi. Just go through this reference book, get more information. Thank you.